Machiegni, duol mochung'ne riwo wi oganda jo Kenya NCIC onyiso buok mare e wi weche mag akwede mag dhoudi kotenore gi weche mag tije mogo tache counties mopogore e thurka. Kokalo lipot mogol gi duolni en ni dhoudi 29 oketnegi tenge mana tamala achiel kende mar thuolo mag tije. Kata kamano gimedo chiwo puoch gi pak ne 10 counties ma oseketo siniani e chiwo thuolo mag tije ne wakeini e lemo mopogore e counties magi mapachoka.
West Pokot County, in 2016, they were very compliant, very compliant, 49.1% at that time. But today, they have 91.45% of the dominant tribe taking up all the jobs in this county.
Now, just imagine that. And because of time, we won't go through all the counties. But allow me just to pick up an analysis that you can look at. If you look at the improved counties, Nairobi was at 11%, right? That was the highest, right? Remember that? Now look at the worst regress. What's the percentage? 42%. Look at the list of regressions. Let me just summarize this. 36 counties actually did regress back. And look at the rate of regression. Nairobi is the highest, most improved at 11%. West Pokot is 42%, 34%, 32%. Average is, even the mid ones are 11, 14. They're still way higher than Nairobi, which has improved.
If the governor says that I must employ people from the same tribe, then I will employ them rather than lose my job. That is a quote from one of the county public service board chairpersons. And, it really gives us the realities of the day. But is it is it a justification to the impunity we are seeing here?
Jopinyo kwa mondo rang malong'o chenro mag pok omenda mag kuonde tiegruok mamalo